Welcome to FoolyFun. Come on, let's play. Today, my baby sister is going to go to the aquarium with me, Daddy, and my mom. This aquarium is in Jerusalem, Israel. Isn't it pretty here? First, we have to walk through the gates.
And sun. Daddy. Wait. A dino. Says.
Look at all these koi fish. Let's see all the colors. Orange, black, yellow, silver. You can even buy fish food to feed the fish. Which color fish is your favorite? This is a huge waterfall. Look how nice these rocks are. I bet we're going to see a whole lot of fish in the aquarium today. I'm so excited to see them. I'll be happy for now. These are lily pads. Do you know what lives on lily pads? Fish hide under them and frogs live on them. This is a map of the whole entire aquarium. On to our first stop, we see our first big aquarium. Look at all the lionfish.
Lion. Whoa. Whoa. It's scary. Fish.
There's another aquarium that they decorated. It looks like a beach. Here's the stingrays. They raised them here. We have to be careful when we're walking in water. Make sure you don't get stepped on them and get stung. Aw, it's a baby stingray. This is a seahorse. The mommies have the babies and the daddies carry them. Did you know that? Oh, is this one sleeping? They swim so fast, I just love them. Can you find the hidden fish? It's right there.
Right there?
How about now? Can you see the hidden fish in this tank? How about now? There it is. There's a secret snake in this tank. I don't know if you can find it. It's too hard to find it. All these fish are silver and they like to swim together in a school. There's an anchor. Look, there's stingrays. There's about to be a baby one. I see some fish, but I don't know what color they are. They may be black, they may be green, they may be brown, they may be white. I don't know what color they are. So let's keep on editing and voiceovering. This is a voiceover. Hey, I'm Rafael. We're about to see a guy up there. about to swim with the other fish. Aren't we? That's me pointing at the fish. Yeah. I think you are old enough to go to the aquarium by yourself. And there's the guy. We can't see him anymore. He had a ladder. He climbed up there with the ladder. He's waving with his foot. Right, guys? And the fish are coming for him. And the most important thing I need to say is I love fish. But stingrays I hate because they can sting you so badly. And almost done, guys. I still have more questions to ask. Do you know what that shirt I'm wearing is? And do you know what I pointed at? I said, "Where is Daddy?" when he was gone. Daddy and Abigail, where are you? And there they are. Right, guys? Oh my goodness, it's a shark! Watch out! Sharks can bite you, right? A shark can eat any fish, can't they? Yeah? Yeah, Mommy?
Yeah.
A shark has to be careful when there's a stingray. Because when a shark eats a stingray, the stingray stings inside of its body and kills the shark. The shark's body is not good with stingrays. A shark doesn't know what happens with a stingray, right? I already know that. And there's the man. He's going to swim. He's right up there, and we're filming him right now. He's gonna swim diving bell. Watch out, we're filming the shark again. It can eat him. He has to be careful, because sharks love eating. They can eat anything in the universe. They can eat the entire sun, and then they'll get burnt. That's why I think sharks can get burnt sometimes when they eat a sun. The sun is very hot. It can melt a shark. It can even melt everything. But freezing cold planet with nice freezing cold storms can be good. But there's the Nemo. Nemo is some kind of fish on Dory. Actually, I have a kitty named Tori. From now on, I'm going to keep Tori. Right, guys? I'm going to keep Tori forever. Right, guys? I'll keep Tori any day we move to America. I'll keep Tori. Oh, there's some other people, and there's a hole we can go through to see the Nemo. Did you go there, guys? Did you go to the aquarium one time? There's shrimp there. Shrimp are some kinds of fish that you can eat, right? Oh, look at the reflections on the wall. This is my mom's favorite animal ever, an octopus. It has 8 legs with suction cups. Look how it twists its legs and it can escape anywhere. Ooh, pretty starfish. Starfish can regrow their legs if they get cut off. There's some urchins here. If you step on them, they'll stab you. Ooh, look at these pretty starfish. Be careful, the jellyfish sting. They even glow pretty. If you step on them also, they'll sting you, and if you step on them, they'll sting you too. So don't touch them if they're in water. Stay out. If they're out of water, you can step on them and they won't sting you?
No, they'll always sting you.
Ooh, look at the baby stingrays. Jellyfish. Jellyfish are awesome. They can glow, but not baby jellyfish, can they? This is me and my baby sister looking at how pretty the reefs are. These plants and animals are all different colors. Red, purple, green, blue, yellow, they're all kinds. Brown, green, white. Isn't this a pretty picture, isn't it? We're coming to the end of the tour, but there's still a lot to see. Get it? A lot to see. See, because it's water. It's so dark in here. The fish have to sleep too. One day, I want a fish tank, and I want to decorate it just like this. Ooh, this is a different kind of shark. In a minute, you're going to see me walk inside the water. Look at all these people. Everybody's enjoying their time at the aquarium. Keep looking, I'm coming up. Oh, do you see me? Be careful, Abigail. Whoops. This is one of the last fish we saw. And it was ginormous and huge. Let me know which fish tank you have at home, and if you have a fish tank at home, and what color fish or what kind of fish you have. Oh, we're outside again. Look at all the mountains are beautiful. The mountains are awesome, aren't they? They can be if we're walking. We can go see any mountain anytime. Oh goodness. Thanks for coming with me on my aquarium adventure. Subscribe for more videos. I hope to play with you next time. Click on my other videos to watch them. Come back for more adventures.